Hey guys, it's your Mooregirl and welcome back to my channel. Well, today is going to be part 2 of this video. It going on this drawer. So I'm doing my guest bathroom makeover and I did one drawer already for the male side. I want to do a female side. So here is going to be the female side. I just went to Goodwill and found me some glass containers where I can put. This drawer is going to be slightly different. So I found these that would fit perfectly. There's glass and they're sort of like a greenish color. They cost 99 cents and today was 40% off. So they was only about 60 cents each. So I figure I'll put like swabs in here and some Q-tips and some other like sponges in here. And also I will do that lift again from this side as well going out. Okay, I wanted this to be a little different from the males because again, I can store other compartments in here. So I'm not going to keep this green. So what I'm going to do is paint this and do a Mercury effect glass. So I'm going to paint this gray inside and out. I'm going to spray it. Then I'm going to do a Mercury technique. So this will go with that gray style that I have here. So this is easy to do. I'm not sure if you guys ever did Mercury glass, but it's pretty simple. It's a pretty fun project to do. All right, guys, let's get started.